Is that funny? Show Grandma. Daddy thinks it's as funny as you do. That's a pretty cute laugh, Maxie. Hi. Can you say hi to Grandma, silly boy? Okay, one more and then we're taking it. Oh, that was just your shirt. Say bye, Grandma. I love you. Say bye. Can you wave? Can you wave? Bye-bye. Oh, no, this is too much fun.